Today, we're going to discuss the benefits of complementing your DIY maintenance routine with professional poolside checks to ensure the long-term health of your pool. Your regular DIY maintenance routine may include checking your water levels, skimming the surface, vacuuming the pool floor, or brushing down the walls. While this regular cleaning routine will help improve water circulation and keep algae from forming, getting an on-site pool check by a professional can provide more comprehensive maintenance. In a one-off pool service by Poolwerx, a technician will not only clean and balance your pool, they can provide a DIY education and personalized pool care tips. Proper pool care is more than just healthy pool water. Making sure that your poolside equipment is operating effectively is also paramount to your pool's health and longevity. If your pool equipment is faulty or damaged, you may be left with contaminants in the water, which could then lead to green or cloudy pool water. To make sure your pool equipment is in top shape, we recommend periodically getting an expert in. Your pool is an asset, just like your car. And much like car services, regular pool services will help pick up on any smaller problems with your pool equipment before they become larger, more costly issues. So come into your local Poolwerx to stock up on all the high quality products you need to get going with your DIY pool care. If you don't know where your nearest Poolwerx is, simply click the link above to find out. And for more pool smart tips and DIYs, check out the rest of our pool problem solving series.